VIVA R&D develops and manufactures advanced drones for forestry and defense missions. Now, let us introduce two key strengths of VIVA R&D. Strength 1. Every drone is built with exceptional in-house technology ensuring unmatched quality. We develop and manufacture hybrid drone systems specifically designed for special purpose operations. Our gasoline and LPG hybrid systems deliver consistent power with multi-grade engine compatibility. Strength 2. Our hybrid drones are optimized for demanding forestry and military missions. We lead the world with the first successful pine nut harvesting drone for forest industries. Our ICT-based AI drones enable an integrated and safe pine nut harvesting system. We support military operations with automated drones for border monitoring and waste balloon removal. From a diverse lineup of forestry and military drones to patented technologies and awarded research, VIVA R&D proves its reliability through real-world results. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.